My First Inspiration by Jose Rizal. Translated by Nick Joaquin. Why falls so rich a spray of fragrance from the bowers of the balmy flowers upon this festive day? Why from woods and vales do we hear sweet measures ringing that seem to be the singing of a choir of nightingales? Why in the grass below do birds start at the wind's noises, unleashing their honeyed voices as they hop from bough to bough? Why should the spring that glows its crystalline murmur be tuning to the zephyr's mellow crooning as among the flowers it flows? Why seems to me more endearing, more fair than on other days, the dawn's enchanting face among red clouds appearing? The reason, dear mother, is they feast your day of bloom, the rose with its perfume, the bird with its harmonies, and the spring that rings with laughter upon this joyful day, with its murmur seems to say, live happily ever after. And from that spring in the grove, now turn to hear the first note that from my lute I emote to the impulse of my love.